This video is about the Sovol SV08 MAX 3D printer, a powerhouse for anyone who wants large format printing without compromises. If you are curious about the latest price or want to purchase it today, make sure to check the link to this 3D printer in the description below. The SV08 MAX redefines what's possible in desktop 3D printing, offering a massive 19.7 by 19.7 by 19.7 inch build volume and blazing fast printing speeds up to 700 mm per second. Whether you're creating full-scale prototypes, industrial parts, or oversized collectibles, this printer ensures your projects come out faster and more precise than ever before. One of the standout features is the CoreXY kinematics system, which reduces moving mass and vibration for smoother, more accurate prints. Combined with industrial-grade linear rails, it guarantees superior control and minimal artifacts, even on large, complex models. The SV08 MAX also features an advanced Eddy Current Sensor for bed leveling. This contactless system ensures a perfect first layer every time, eliminating manual adjustments and saving hours of setup. For added convenience, the printer includes a built-in HD camera, enabling remote monitoring, time-lapse recording, and integration with cloud platforms for intelligent print failure detection. The hot end supports temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius, handling advanced filaments like ABS, TPU, PTG, and even carbon fiber blends, while the thickened aluminum hotbed heats quickly and evenly, preventing warping on large prints. The auxiliary feeder actively detects clogs or tangles, keeping your print job uninterrupted. While the SV08 MAX is a premium 3D printer, its speed, reliability, and versatility make it an investment that serious makers and professionals will appreciate. With room for upgrades like a heated chamber, it's future-proof for evolving printing needs. Check the link to this 3D printer in the description below to explore pricing, availability, and start creating larger, faster,